guys, welcome back to my channel. We've just made it to Austria. Oh my god. Let's look outside. Wow.
Oh my god.
This is our view. We have a fun little balcony. This is amazing. Are you ready for a 22-kilometer bike ride?
I have actually no words.
I don't know how we're gonna make that through that. That is so far.
Look at the seats. Like tiny little fucking...
I know. When there was like, who wants a comfy seat, and that girl like jumped out, I was like, ah. Hers looked amazing. It was so comfy.
Just the #1 champion sound. Yeah, Estelle, we about to get down. Who the hottest in the world right now? Just touched down in London town. Bet they give me a pound. Tell them put the money in my hand right now. Tell the promoter we need more seats. We just sold out all the floor seats.
So we've been on our bike ride, and of course I fell off. The only person to fall off out of the whole tour. But anyways, I survived. I'm okay. And yes, I was recording when that happened. So then after our bike ride, we went paragliding, which was like insane. Amazing. Oh my god. We couldn't really get any footage, but I'll put some fun photos for you here. And my paragliding story is I had to take off 3 times because I don't even know why. The wind wasn't right, and then I wasn't running apparently, I don't know. And then I saw a girl crash into a tree. It was the scariest thing in my life, but I did it. I pushed through, and here we are. So I think now we're just going to go for a little stroll. We're about to go whitewater rafting!
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Are you ready? Katie, show me your outfit. Oh, beautiful. You look stunning. Oh, alright, well, we'll see you on the other side. Yay! Guys, how was whitewater rafting?
It was so good.
It was such a fun experience. I'm so sad I couldn't get it on my GoPro. I was just way too scared of losing it. But it was seriously so fun. So we are now on Contiki day 9, which means we have made it to Venice. And we are staying in these like cute little cabin things, and we all really needed to do some washing. So this is the situation right now. I bought a little travel clothesline, so mine are just hanging up here, and Sarah's
struggling.
got about a bajillion pairs of socks and underwear all up there.
These are my undies.
And we're all really struggling from Contiki cough already. Seriously, cannot stop coughing. It's so bad.
Who knew it was an actual thing?
Good morning! We're in Venice. We took a little motor scarf boat over here. How much of a tourist are you right now?
I love walking tours.
Got our little, I don't even know what these are. Little packs.
Radio. Boombox.
Boombox. First Italian ice cream. How's yours? What'd you get, Sarah?
Strawberry sorbet.
And show me a little cup.
It's like a cone cup.
A cone cup.
I can eat it.
That's so cute.
Yeah, it's a little cone. Amazing.
Oh my god, we're at the top of the, pronounce it, Katie.
La Donna.
No.
No, it's bell tower.
Campale di Marco. Di San Marco.
Di San Marco.
But I'm saying the start bit wrong. I can't remember. But it's so pretty. Have a look at this view. Seriously insane. How many buildings are there?
And they're all
orange.
orange.
Oh.
How crazy is that?
Are you guys ready for our gondola ride?
Yay!
Oh, the canals. I know, it feels very lopsided. So we thought it'd be cute and have some fruit and blini by the water for dinner, and Katie just dropped our cups in the water. There they are over there, floating away.
Oh my god.
Goodbye. Guess we'll be drinking straight from the bottle.
Again.
I think that's just our thing for this trip. So it's our last night in Venice here, so we are celebrating with a nautical themed party. So here's my little sailor's hat. Yay. And we're in stripes. come get in. What do you guys look like? Oh, such cute little, what are they called? Ship captains.
Yeah.
Sailor mate. We've just arrived to Rome and this is seriously fucked. We're staying in cabins, which is fine, like we had cabins last time, but this is disgusting. There's like bed bugs in the beds. There's no fly wire on the window, so we can't keep them open because there's so many mosquitoes. Like it's just so hot.
It's 5 million.
And you can't even keep the windows open. Like I don't understand. What do they expect you to do?
I'm so sweaty. Can you see my sweat right now? Look at that, I'm so red.
I know, my original sheet was dirty, so I asked to get a new one. And now my new one's dirty.
Kane's just on the toilet. You have to close it. You have to close it.
Oh my god. Like there is literally a bug on my bed. How did that get there? Ugh. Maybe we should just stay awake for like 2 days straight.
I don't want to. Mom, I'm itchy. Look, that's literally from being here. 1, 2.
So it's now Friday morning. No, actually, it's afternoon now. So this morning from our cabin out in the wilderness, took us like an hour and a half to get to Rome. So I feel like if anybody's watching this because they're coming on this tour, just prepare yourself. It's not great. But anyways, we're here now. And we went on a tour of Vatican City this morning, which was nice, but I couldn't actually hear anything the lady was saying, so I don't really know anything. But it was pretty, and there was some really cool like old stuff, so I guess that's what's important. And now we just demolished, like absolutely demolished pizza.
So much food.
And it's so yum. And now I'm so full. But we're gonna go to Trevi Fountain. We're at the Trevi Fountain.
Hey now,
This is what dreams are made of. I've got someone in love. I've got somebody to love. I really don't know the words. Have you ever seen such a beautiful light? We're at the Colosseum.
this is what dreams.
This is what dreams. Oh yeah, that's definitely the lyrics. It's so big. I just didn't think it was going to be this big. Why? I don't know.
Look how tiny that little purse looks. Like
Huge. It's very big. We've just arrived in the Swiss Alps. Oh. Voices are gone then there. But this place is amazing. Oh my god, look at the view from our room. Like that's just from our room. We also got our Contiki hoodies. Let's see what the back looks like. So this is our one for European Whirl. So cute. I'm gonna live in it. Good morning! It is our day in the Swiss Alps today and we are so excited! We're going to the top of Jungfrau Mountain. Do you like my pronunciation? Yes, we've been calling it Jungfrau, definitely wrong. And we're gonna see snow! Yay! I'm so excited because I'm missing out on the snow season this year. So this is my one little fix. And then we've got an adventure park thing. But I don't really know what that is. Maybe we'll just figure that out later. This is what the place that we look like it's staying at. It is so cute. And then it's got like all these huge mountains in the background. It's like insane. I'm excited. We're halfway there. Almost at the top of Europe. It is getting cold for people in only hoodies and leggings going to the snow. Like what a joke.
I know, I feel like this is almost colder than at home.
Yeah. We're not even wearing snow gear.
T-shirt, leggings.
Oh my god, here we go.
A lot of European snow. Oh my god.
Whoa.
We just stood naked on the top.
So many stools. I was freezing, but all worth it for the photo. What?
Hey sister, it's really, really nice to meet ya. I just met this 5'7" guy who's just my type. Like the way he's speaking, his confidence is peaking. Don't like his baggy jeans, but I like what's underneath him. And no, I ain't been to MIA. I heard the Cali never rains and New York's wide awake. First let's see the West End, I'll show you to my brethren. I'm liking this American boy.
Bye, snow. See you next year. How are you feeling about the high ropes course? So it's day 16 of Contiki and we've just made it to Paris! And we're actually staying in a hotel!
I'm so happy!
This is insane. You comfy there? How's the bed?
So comfy, it's amazing.
Is it good?
Amazing, oh my god.
Oh. Are you ready to see the Eiffel Tower?
Yay! I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
Did you get one? Yay for our first crepes. What's yours like, Katie?
It's too hot to eat.
I know, I can't barely hold mine. It's like burning my hand. Good morning, guys. We are on day 17 of Contiki, so it's basically our last day, which is so sad. But we're in Paris and we've just arrived at the Arc de Triomphe. It's
Yay.
so pretty. Definitely gonna climb to the top.
Work off all those croissants.
I ate 5 crepes for breakfast this morning.
I think between
what
me
a
and
joke.
between all of us, we had like 10 croissants probably.
Yeah, probably. It was just so yum. Contiki cough is next level at the moment.
It's hit hard.
Cannot wait for it to go away.
Ultra flu.
Oh, don't say ultra
God,
flu.
don't say
No,
that.
we're not getting sick at ultra. Currently climbing the stairs of the Arc de Triomphe. There's so many. Holy fuck. We made it to the top.
More stairs.
Didn't make it to the top yet. Oh, here we go again. We've almost made it. Almost. I see the light at the end of the tunnel. Oh my god, the view is so pretty up here. So we're just having a little stroll down the Champs-Élysées. Don't know how to pronounce it.
Chomp salad.
But I'm sure you know what I mean. Chomp salad. Stroll down the Chomp salad and H&M got us.
Yeah.
We're not supposed to be shopping this holiday. I don't know what happened. But I got a really cute play suit, so that's the plus. So it's the last night of Contiki and I am so upset to be leaving everyone. But we're in Paris at the moment, so we're having a like traditional Parisian dinner or something like that, and then a cabaret, and then probably a few drinks after that. So I'm gonna have to leave you guys here because I don't trust my drunk self with my camera. I will lose it. So we will speak to you tomorrow morning for our very last day. It's the last time hearing our Contiki song. There's nothing holding me back. Bye! Bye, Contiki! Bye!